Okay, video 2 from Unit 4, Lesson 2. So we're going to talk about slope-intercept form, but in real-world problems. Okay, George makes $20 per lawn he mows plus an extra $5 an hour. Write an equation in slope-intercept form that relates the total amount of money he makes to the number of hours. And then we have to know how much money will he make if he works 25 hours next week. All right, so my two variables are T, so this is his total money, and H, number of hours. Okay, so his total amount of money will equal, so he gets $20 per lawn. Okay? Plus an extra $5 an hour. So we're talking about just like one lawn. So the $20 is actually just a one-time cost for one lawn. And then he gets $5 an hour. So here's my equation, and I'm going to write it with the 5 first, because this is actually slope-intercept form. This is like y equals mx plus b. So my slope would be 5, my y-intercept would be 20. How much will he make if he works 25 hours next week? All right, so 25 hours. Well, that means I'm going to plug 25 in for h. So this is an easy one because you can just type it in your calculator. 5 times 25 plus 20 would be $145. Okay. So for the next question. Grace wants to save money this summer. However, she owes her parents $200, but also has a job where she makes $8 an hour. Write an equation in slope-intercept form that relates the money she wants to save to the number of hours she works. So I'm going to stop there and do that. So this is the amount saved, and this is the number of hours worked. So it identifies your variables in your problem, so you don't necessarily have to rewrite it again, but I think it's helpful. Okay, so she's going to save her $8 an hour, so 8H, because that will depend on the number of hours she works. But then she owes her parents $200, so that's not money she can save, so I actually need to subtract that $200 off. Okay, so here's my equation. Then it says, what do the slope and y-intercept represent in this situation? All right, well, my slope is 8, and the 8 represents how much she makes an hour. So this is like her, we also remember call it the rate of change. So we'll say what she makes per hour. Okay, the y-intercept okay, well, the y-intercept was going to be negative 200, and that represents what she owes. And remember, y-intercept is where we start. So she starts $200 in the hole. Okay. Next question. How many hours will Grace need to work if she wants to save $280 this summer? So that's what she wants to save, so that's going to go in for S. And then I just have to solve. So let's add 200 to both sides. So 480 equals 8H. And divide by 8, and you get 60. So 60 hours. Okay. You're ready to do Unit 4, Assignment 4.